Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 18th Varshik Utsav 2025, presented to you by Samam Center for Movement and Dance. All of you present here today are about to witness the enchanting world of storytelling with the sound of ghungroos, intricate footworks, and numerous pirouettes. In short, Kathak. Kathak is an abbreviated form of the word Kathakar, which literally translates to the art of storytelling. Today, we the students of Samam bring to you our stories. I am Vidisha Roy, a devoted student of Samam and your host for today. Before we begin, I request you all to keep your phones on silent, sit back and enjoy the show. Additionally, please avoid any kind of photography or videography. Our professional videographers are here and copies will be made available to you later. नृत्य का हर एक कदम एक कहानी कहता है और आज हम अपनी कहानी आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करने आए हैं 18 years ago, इसी कहानी की शुरुआत करने I joined Samam and became a part of what I call my family today. A family integrated with vivid talents, dynamic personalities, and a singular love for dance. Let me take you through the story of this place where each one of us wrote our own. Samam is a school that took birth with the blessings of the legendary Kathak maestro, late Pandit Birju Maharaj. Birju Maharaj ji, the leading exponent and torchbearer of Kathak dance, the Padma Vibhushan awardee, legend was not only a Kathak dancer, but also a sensitive poet and captivating orator. His constant attempt to take Kathak to a whole new level did not only showcase the dance form in India, but in Western countries as well. Known for his facial expressions and nimble footwork, Pandit Birju Maharaj ji is considered the epitome of Kathak by many. We at Samam were given the opportunity to share the stage with a legend and also learn from him firsthand. It is hard to put in words the privilege we hold to be students of his direct disciple, our very own Murari sir. Raghav Saji was an incredible performer and celebrated Kathak exponent. He is the first guru of our guru and also his beloved brother. His dedication to his art was immense. On many occasions, we also had the golden opportunity to gain from him his art and wisdom. We dedicate this night to these beautiful souls and their love for Kathak. From ideas to choreographies, their creations are inspired by the frameworks and sensibilities of the Lucknow Gharana and of Kathak. Today, we bring them to you. Welcome again to the 18th Varshik Utsav brought to you by Samam. Shri Murari Sharan Gupta is the founder and managing trustee of Samam. Samam is a professional dance school and a non-profit organization for imparting and promoting the Lucknow Gharana of Kathak in Bangalore and nationwide. Lucknow Gharana is the Kathak form that we promote, and it is run under the able guidance of Shri Murari Sharan Gupta. Through its work, it supports and initiates and organizes performance platforms for student and professional dancers around the country. At Samam, our emphasis is on creating an environment focused on training with principles, which is the basis of learning any Indian classical dance form. Today, the students of Samam have come together to present an evening exploring the simplicity and subtlety of this dance form. This institute holds dear the memories of all these years, the joy, the laughter, the hard work, the tears, the morning 5 a.m. wake-up calls, and let's just practice for 30 minutes more. Movements each one of us cherish and look forward to having. Thank you all for being here today. It is truly our pleasure to be hosting you this evening. Before we move on, I'd like to take a few minutes and tell you all about our guru, Murari Sharan Gupta, the managing trustee of Samam. He is a devoted disciple of the renowned Pandit Birju Maharaj ji and an acclaimed artist in his own right. Shri Murari is a versatile artist. While being thoroughly grounded in Kathak, he is also adept in the folk dances of India, contemporary dance, and other art forms like Kalari Payattu. He is also an accomplished tabla and pakhawaj player. He redefined the dynamic between a student and teacher in a contemporary period like today, one different from what already existed. A bond created far greater than that of an educator. He shows us what a guru truly means and that the real nature of the bond a guru shares with his disciples. Imagine having a classroom full of loud and disruptive students like us. While we see sirs so effortlessly combining the meaning of a guru in the olden era with the present times, we also see the same with his art form. This is what I love the most about him, creating diversity in art through the merging of Western and classical dance form that also demonstrates its inclusiveness to the younger generation. Nirmohiya is a soulful composition that captures the essence of longing and emotional turmoil. In this piece, the dancer expresses the inner restlessness and yearning of a woman who is torn between love and heartbreak. Through the poignant lyrics and graceful movements, Malvika portrays a woman who is deeply affected by her unfulfilled desires, yet remains steadfast in her devotion. Please give a big round of applause to Malvika.
धाड़ दा दिन्ना धाड़ दा दिन्ना धाड़ दा दिन्ना ताड़ दा दिन्ना ताड़ दा दिन्ना धाड़ दा दिन्ना धादर गिरता गिरता धादर गिरता गिरता धादर गिरता 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 कतर कते कत दिगिन दाते कधेट धेट दा कतेट तेट ता दिन दिन दात कतिन्ना कत दात कतिन्ना ता ना दे देना ना दे देना ना दे देना ना दे देना गिरता गिरता कता कतिन ता गिरता 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 कता कतिन
निर्मोहिया हर जाइया निर्मोहिया हर जाइया
बैरी जियाए मोरा बैरी जिया बैरी जियाए मोरा बैरी जिया निर्मोहिया हर जाइया निर्मोहिया
कासे मैं कहूँ सखी बातें काटे न कटे पैर रातें एक पल छिन छट रही उनकी यादें हैं भोरे तक न लग रही मेरी आँखें कह दो सखी रे हम करें
निर्मोहिया हर जाइया निर्मोहिया हर जाइया निर्मोहिया मगरेगा
गम मगा
मगरे सरे
रे गरे सरे
बाबा मगरेगा
गम मगरे गा
मगा मगरे सरे
रे गा मगरे सरे
रे रे गा नी रे मगरेगा मगरे रे रे गा मगरे रे रे गा मगरे रे 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 मदा मगरे रे 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 मदा मगरे मा 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 रा दा नी नी दा नी रे सा सा नी नी दा दा पा पा सा रे गा मा नी नी दा दा पा पा मा मा रे गा रे गा रे दा मा गा मा दा रे गा मा दा रे रे गा रे दा नी दा मा दा मा गा रे सा गा मा दा नी 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 गा मा दा नी सा बाबरा मन तेरी लगन में डूबना चाहे तेरे नयन में बाबरा मन तेरी लगन में डूबना चाहे तेरे नयन ना भी जाओ ना सताओ ना भी जाओ ना सताओ कासे मैं कहूँ सखी बातें काटे ना कटे मेरी रातें एक पल छिन न छट रही उनकी यादें हैं भोर तक न लग रही मेरी आंखें जोगन बन गई मैं तो जोगिया
निर्मोहिया हर जाइया निर्मोहिया हर जाइया
बैरी जिया मोरा बैरी जिया
जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. The footwork, the chakkars, the jugalbandi, all of it was just mind-blowing. As we come to the end of this enchanting evening, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude to each of you for joining us at the 18th Varshik Utsav. Your presence has made this event truly special. A big thank you to all the dancers, parents, and the team behind the scenes who worked tirelessly to bring this night to life. We hope you leave with a heart full of joy and a spirit inspired by the beauty of Kathak. Now, I'd like to hand over the mic to Murari sir for the vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us on 18 Kathak Varshik Utsav. This evening wouldn't have possible without few people. From Prabhat Light, Mr. Vijay, hope you are here. Thank you so much, sir, for providing this beautiful auditorium, light, stage setup. Thank you. Mr. Arnav for the sound and for all the costumes, what you have seen. This Mr. Ali, if he is here, Mr. Taylor. Thank you, Master Ji. Lakshmi, Lisa, Vandana, can you come on the stage? Yeah, you can see all the costumes, whatever we have done for the packing up, either coordination for everything. They are the one who has helped us. Thank you, Vandana, for everything. And thank you so much, Vidisha, our beautiful host. Come here. Vidisha joined class when she was like maybe younger than Sahas. Yeah, and now she has completed her Kathak final year exam. And now she's working professional. And she's doing lots of things. And she's always there for help us. And thank you, Vidisha. She came all the way from Hyderabad. She's working right now. Just for the performance, she decided, I asked her, can you join? She said, yes, sir, I'm always there. Thank you very much.